Welcome back to my channel. If you guys followed this viral Korean mask for glass skin for the last 2 weeks, the magic of this enchanted mask resides in rice flour, infused with potent antioxidants that protect your skin from the effects of aging and combat its inevitable progression. This will remove your acne and gives you smooth skin. It's also vanish out black and white heads from your face. Let's get started. Number 1 Rice Face Mask for Dry Skin. Ingredients that uses 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon aloe vera and cucumber juice. Rice flour is the skincare fairy godmother, waving bye-bye to dry skin and keeping that youthful bounce intact. Gently massage your skin with this cooling paste of rice flour, cucumber juice, and aloe vera gel on face. Wash it after 15 minutes. Apply this paste for twice and a week. Finish it with using moisturizer after washing face. Number 2 Rice Face Mask for Oily Skin. Ingredients that uses 2 tablespoons of rice flour and aloe vera gel. Rice flour help cleanse your skin and control sebum production, while aloe vera gel moisturize your skin without making it oily. Mix rice flour with aloe vera gel to form a hydrating mixture. Massage it on your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water afterwards. Number 3 Rice Flour Face Pack for Tan Removal. Ingredients that use 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix rice flour powder with UN-sweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate your skin and remove tan. Together with rice flour, it has the power to reveal a glowing and even-toned complexion. Massage this yogurt paste on your face and wash it after 20 minutes. Don't forget to apply moisturizer. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Positive changes take time. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and never skip your sunscreen. Your skin will thank you for it. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Wishing you all radiant, healthy skin. Reaching the end of the video on improving skin health. Follow these tips for healthier skin. Hope this video helps you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.